In primetime news this evening, commendations all around. Commissioner praises the work of cops who took down 2 gunmen in Kingston yesterday. Charged, man who confessed to killing spouse on Mother's Day to face the court. And we'll be ready. Government exudes confidence, PEP preparations are adequate.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your views on yesterday's operation which saw the police killing 2 suspected gunmen on Trafalgar Road in St. Andrew? You can share these comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.